Welcome back to ARC PDX. In dollars and cents, we are a little more than a week away from Black Friday, and the holiday sales are starting to ramp up. So now is a good time to start checking in on your budget and your financial situation before you check out online or head to the register. So joining us this morning is Julie Bocanegra, VP Branches Regional Manager for Columbia Credit Union. Julie, thank you so much for joining us on ARC PDX.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, this is a really important time to have you on before the holidays hit. What are like a few things that people can check in just 5 minutes to make sure that they're ready to shop smart?
You know, for sure, the holiday seasons can be really stressful for people when they're thinking about their overall finances and the added pressure of holiday events, parties, gift giving. And so I think it's really important for people to think about what amount of money they want to set aside for holiday spending. And when they do that, I really think that they should think about not only the gift giving, but all of the extra add-ins that come in with the holiday season. I don't think that we realize all of the extra add-ons from, you know, the chocolate chips you need to bake your cookies to the party that you're attending with coworkers. All of those things add up. So it's really important to be realistic and make a list of everything that's going to be so it fits within your budget. So check your savings accounts, how much you want to spend, maybe your credit card balances, and really make a realistic plan.
And a lot of us get caught up in the excitement of Black Friday deals. So what's a way to tell if a deal actually fits your budget or if it feels like a steal?
You know, it's interesting because I love Black Friday. It's always been a great day for me and my friends to go out and do all the holiday shopping events. But now with all the online banking and retailers that are advertising earlier and earlier, it feels like Black Friday starts the 1st of November. So it really makes the consumer need to be careful about their spending, because what it could mean is that people are spending earlier and all throughout the holiday season because they're starting November 1st, Black Friday hits, they want to go out and have the excitement of those deals. So really being smart about what's the best value. Is it on sale now? Will it be on sale again? And making a plan to purchase and staying within your list.
Yeah. And if someone's planning to use credit cards for their holiday shopping, what should they look for in their statements or maybe rewards programs before they start swiping?
What I think people should look for in their statements is what is the best value that they're going to get on their credit card if they use their credit cards for purchases. So for instance, if you're have a card that's got a lower interest rate, 0% on purchases for the first 90 days, really look for some of those. Also, most credit cards have some rewards programs. If you sign on to the online banking, there's usually some cash back or some deals directly that tie to the retailer. So then you can even get some further savings.
And what's one small move that people can make right now, like maybe adjusting automatic transfers or reviewing their savings, that can make a big difference as we go into holiday spending?
One of the things I think people could do is maybe apply for one of those 0% credit cards and use one credit card for all of your purchases. So that way you really can track and see what spending you're doing. And then at the end of that, make a plan to really pay that off. And so that debt's not lingering past and following into the next holiday season. That can get our folks into some trouble with some debt that's adding up over time.
I will say I did just do that. I opened up a 0% interest credit card to do something just like that. So it's very easy to do it. It's pretty quick. Look at your options. And after doing, you know, that quick financial checkup, what are some maybe red flags that tell you to pause or rethink your spending plan before you hit the stores or you check out online?
Yeah, just because something's a good deal doesn't mean that you necessarily have to have it, right? So there's always the needs versus the wants. Are you buying for yourself? Are you buying for someone else? Is it something that they're going to really need and appreciate, or is going to be something that's going to be in the closet and not come out? So really think about those purchases. Sometimes if you're doing online shopping and you put something in the cart, maybe sleep on it before you actually go to the checkout, or just recheck that list that you made in the beginning, because that's really important, because there's so many deals out there and you're like, it's fun. You get caught up into the season. And so you're wanting to make those extra purchases. So just stick to your list.
Definitely. That's the hard part, though, Julie, sticking to the list. Julie Bocanegra with Columbia Credit Union, thank you so much for joining us once again on ARC PDX.
Thank you so much.